Here's what some early users think of SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet. They're going to tell us about the speed and more. Aren't you excited?
Yeah, I'm curious to know.
Space internet, man. Dream come true.
Mm-hmm.
There's 10,000 users, rolled out to 10,000 users in the first few months. CNBC spoke to more than 50 people who have been using Starlink. Surveyed households in Canada, California, Colorado, Idaho, Iowa, Maine, Michigan.
That looks like it's out there.
Minnesota, Montana,
rural,
Ohio,
space,
Oregon,
rural,
Washington.
That's far out.
Wisconsin.
Maybe it's in the north.
And Wyoming.
There you go.
Here's what some people said. I expect to keep the service long term. That's a user in Montana. The price of the beta for the service is more reasonable than any other option we have. And those are worse in performance. I will keep Starlink as long as it's the only broadband option available to me.
Wow.
This could be nice in cottage country up there. Right up there. Right? Because you have some situations over there with some pretty trash connections.
Mm-hmm.
They're still in beta. The Better for Nothing beta program, service priced at $99 a month in the U.S. with the $4.99 upfront cost for the equipment.
And that's all it needs, right? Like this little satellite dish thing?
Yeah, man. It's a tiny little dish you put over there.
You ever get concerned, either of you guys ever get concerned about how much stuff is in space?
Yeah, the space junk?
Yes. How many satellites are we throwing up there now?
Well, actually, that's one of the things Bezos and Elon are beefing about.
They're beefing about it?
Yeah, they're beefing. Hey, you got to. It's all about
one builds too high, one builds low.
It's all about altitude.